Welcome back to Phoenix Edu. So let's start with board booster. So our first question is, find out the correct sentence. First is, hybridization means crossing between genetically dissimilar plant. Cross between two varieties is called as interspecific hybridization. Introducing genes of desired characters into a plant gives genetically modified crop. And the fourth one is, cross between plants of two species is called as intervarietal hybridization. So here the correct sentence is first one and the third one. So correct option is first. Second, find out the correct sentence about manure. Manure contains large quantities of organic matter and small quantities of nutrients. It increases the water holding capacity of sandy soil. It helps in draining out of excess water from clay soil. Its excessive use pollutes environment because it is made up of animal excretory waste. So here the correct statements are, the first one, the manure contained large quantities of organic matter, yes, that is correct. And the second one, third and fourth is false. The correct answer is second. Third, cattle husbandry is done for the following purpose: milk production, agriculture work, meat production and egg production. Okay, so yes, milk production, egg and agriculture work and meat production. So correct answer is first. Egg production is in poultry farming. Which of the following are Indian cattle? Bos indicus, Bos domestica, Bos bovalis, Bos vulgaris. So the first option where Bos indicus and Bos bovalis is there, it is the correct option. They are the Indian cattle. Poultry farming is undertaken to raise following: egg production, feather production, chicken meat production and milk production. So the correct option is egg production and chicken meat production. So first is correct option. Question number 6, animal husbandry is the scientific management of animal breeding, culture of animals, animal livestock, rearing of animal. So animal breeding is correct, then animal livestock is correct, rearing of animal is correct. So correct option is fourth. Culture of animal is not incorrect. Which one of the following nutrient is not available in fertilizer? So the correct option is iron. Fertilizers, NPK, we have already studied about NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Which is not present in fertilizer is iron. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are example of macronutrient. Answer is 2. Mulettes, prawns, mussels are examples of marine fish, freshwater fishes, fin fishes, shellfishes. So they are the example of marine fish. Rohu and Katla are the types of freshwater fish. Answer is first. There are some crops which are grown in rainy season. They are called as kharif crops. Question number 12. Some of the are grown in the winter season called rabi crops. Question number 13. It is not the way to improve a crop by incorporating gene. Yes, it is the way. Intervarietal, that is also the way of hybridization. Interspecific, that is also the way of hybridization. The fourth one is not the way, it is interchangeable fertilizer. Factor which does not increase productivity of the crop: improved quality, biotic resistance, change in fertilizers, change in maturity duration. So the answer is third, that is change in fertilizer. This will not increase the productivity. Question number 15, macronutrient found in the soil. So here the first nitrogen, carbon, calcium, mercury, lead. Second, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and sulfur. So the correct answer is second. Question number 16, it is not a micronutrient present in the soil. We know the nitrogen is the example of macronutrient. So the correct answer is fourth. It is not the micronutrient. It is the macronutrient. Question number 17. Manure is rich in organic matter and nutrients. So the answer is third. Use of manure affect air pollution, soil pollution, contamination of crop, enhance the crop fertility. Okay, so manure will not affect any kind of pollution, so this will enhance the crop fertility. Answer is fourth. Now it's competitive stuff. The first question is, which of the following cropping methods maintain soil fertility? Mixed cropping, crop rotation, intercropping, monocropping. Okay, so mixed cropping, yes. Crop rotation, yes. Intercropping, yes. So the answer is fourth one. All three of this will increase the fertility of soil. Which of the following is a weed? Okay, so here the first one is Oryza sativa, that is the example of rice. Second one, that is Cyprinus rotundus. This is the nut grass. Its common name is nut grass. Third one is Arachis hypogea. This is common name is legume. And fourth one is Triticum vulgare, that is the common wheat. So out of all these, nut grass, it is the wheat. So the answer is second. Which of the following will result in loss of soil fertility? Crop rotation, shifting cultivation, excessive use of chemical fertilizers. So the answer is third, shifting cultivation and excessive use of chemical fertilizer. This can lead to loss of fertility in the soil. Here the two pattern is given, pattern X and pattern Y, and we have to identify the patterns and select the incorrect option regarding them. Okay, so here X is, it is mixed cropping, because they don't have any definite patterns. Okay, and Y is intercropping. The pattern of X is mixed cropping and pattern Y is intercropping. So let's read the statement. They are: in cropping pattern X, the crop should not have the same root pattern. Yes. Crop selected for the cropping pattern Y should have different types of nutrient requirement. This is also correct. Crop selected for cropping pattern X must have different maturation time. And the fourth one is, in cropping pattern Y, only two crops can be grown simultaneously at a time. So we had asked the identify the patterns and select the incorrect option. So the incorrect option is fourth. Rest all are correct options. Select the group that contains only the micronutrient. Here the second answer is zinc, copper and manganese. These are the micronutrients. Here nitrogen is macronutrient, here potassium is macronutrient, here carbon is macronutrient. So in second, all of these are micronutrient. Question number 6. How do animals get their nitrogen? By absorbing nitrogen gas through their skin? No, they cannot absorb the nitrogen gas through the skin. By eating carbohydrate like sugars and starch? No. From nitrates in the drinking water? Fourth one is by eating plants and other animals, because nitrogen is plant can only absorb nitrogen in the form of compound. Okay, so when they absorb the nitrogen and then through plants the nitrogen is carried away to whole food chain. So fourth answer is correct. Question number 7. Poultry fowls are susceptible to which of the following pathogens? Virus, bacteria, fungi and or all of these. So here are some examples of disease which caused by virus in the poultry, that is fowl pox, by bacteria fowl cholera, and by fungi it is aspergillosis. So all three are susceptible to all three pathogens. So the correct answer is all of the above. Refer to the given table and select the option that correctly fills the blanks in it. First is cow. We have to see the indigenous breed of cow from the below table. Second one, indigenous breed of poultry is asil. So we have to see the exotic breed of poultry. Third one is here exotic breed is given, that is A. Adamsoni, and we have to see the indigenous breed of honeybee. Let's see the option over here. Here the correct option is going to be third, that is Sahiwal. This is the indigenous breed of cow. And Australorp, this is the exotic breed of poultry. It is a breed which is found in Australia. And Z, honeybee, which is indigenous breed. So it is A. dorsata. So the correct answer is third. Question number 9. Read the given paragraph. Soil L is well aerated but cannot hold much water. So such soil are sandy soil. M is well aerated and has a very good water holding capacity. So M is loamy soil, and N has excellent water holding capacity but is poorly aerated. Okay, so let me write here, it is sandy, M is loamy, and N is clayey soil. Now the statements are, we have to choose the incorrect statement regarding this kind of soil. So first statement is soil M is commonly found in those regions where xerophytes are abundant. Okay, so M is loamy soil. Xerophyte plants are present in deserts. Okay, so for such kind of plants, sandy soil is present, okay, in the desert. So this statement is incorrect. Soil N is best suited for growing garden plants. Now soil N is clay soil, it is not aerated. Okay, so it is not suitable for growing garden plants, so this is also false. And soil L is the best suited for making pots, statues and toys. So soil L is sandy soil. From sandy soil we cannot make pots and statues, so this is also incorrect. So the correct is all of the above. All of the above statements are incorrect. So the correct answer is fourth. All of the above statements are incorrect. Question number 10. The given diagram show two different cropping patterns P and Q. Identify these patterns and select the incorrect statement. This pattern is mixed cropping and this is intercropping. Let's see the statements. In cropping pattern P, the crop should not have the same root pattern. Yes, crop selected for the crops pattern. Crop selected for the crop pattern Q should have different types of nutrient requirement. This is correct. In cropping pattern P, the two crops could be mustard and wheat. Yes. Fourth statement is, in cropping pattern Q, legumes like cowpea, moong, bean and soybean should be grown simultaneously at the time. So the incorrect statement is fourth one. Three crops that contribute maximum to global food grains production are, means these crops are maximum grown in the country. So wheat, rice and maize. The answer is first. Question number 12. Which of the following plant disease can be controlled by chemical control? Viral disease, disease caused by nematodes. Nematodes are, they are worms. Fungal disease, all of these. So by chemical control we can control all the disease caused by these pathogens. Which of the following is not an intention of producing plant using a portion of plant tissue or cell in suitable nutrient medium. Based on the principle, plant cells have the capacity to produce plant of their own kind. So basically this is the tissue culture. Now let's see the statements. We have to find which is not an intention. Okay, to obtain disease resistance and high yielding variety of plants, yes, we will get it. To reduce the period of lifespan of plant, no. To develop large number of plants in limited space and time, yes. To obtain plants which produce more fertile seed, this also can be done with the help of tissue culture. So which is not suitable, that is second, to reduce the period of lifespan of plant. 14th, which one of the following is not a cereal crop? Okay, wheat, rice, sorghum, mustard. Mustard is for oil seed, so the answer is fourth. Sonalika is a variety of rice, wheat, maize, bajra. It is the variety of wheat. Which specific of Italian honeybee is useful for honey production? That is Apis mellifera. This is the Italian bee. Micronutrient element is nitrogen, it is macronutrient. Magnesium, potassium, they are macronutrient. Micronutrient is zinc. Which fish feeds in the middle zone of the pond? Catla, it is a surface feeder. Mrigul and common crab is bottom feeder. So middle zone is rohu. Rabi crop is once again Oryzo sativa, it is rice. Triticum vestivum, this is wheat. Panicetum typhoides, it is bajra, and C. maize is maize. So here it is asked which is the Rabi crop. Okay, so the answer is wheat. Wheat is the example of Rabi crop. Question number 20. Growing two or more crops but indefinite row pattern is known as mixed cropping. Hybrid in plants means cross between two species, yes. Cross between two varieties, yes. Cross between two genera, these all are correct statement for hybridization. So the answer is all of the above. Question number 22. Which of the following has maximum production and is easy to handle as they sting less? So Apis dorsata, Apis mellifera, Apis serena indica and Apis floreus. So the correct answer is Apis mellifera. They are small in size and easy to handle. 23. Mackerel, tuna, sardine and Bombay duck, they are the example of marine fishes. They were the example of highly economical importance. So here we had completed the board boosters as well as competitive steps. Thank you.